Right, let's now get into the world of sports. Ahead of the Standard Chartered Marathon on the 31st of October, the local organizing committee has announced expected road closures. The physical marathon will be limited to 2,500 elite runners from Kenya and other key countries such as Uganda and Ethiopia, and will be held on the Southern Bypass route.
We are going to secure Southern Bypass right away from Eastgate of Nairobi Park to Dagoretti interchange along Southern Bypass. Indeed, we are advising all motorists to avoid this road, to use Mombasa Road and Waiyaki Way, safe for the marathon.
We are very excited this year to have the physical marathon. Because of COVID, we couldn't have it last year, but we've learned a lot and we've consulted widely, including with the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Sports. So the physical run will be held on 31st of October. We've changed the route this year, so we start and finish the race on Carnival grounds, mainly because the Uhuru Highway is under construction.
Commonwealth